Hello, welcome to SysJone. In this video, you will learn about how to deal with or how to work with PDF files in Python. What you will learn in this video, you will learn how to use pypdf2 library. Second, how to read PDF files, and the last one, how to adding some content into PDF. We are not able to edit some content which is already exist on PDFs, but we can add some extra content at the end of our PDF files. Let's begin. Here we have already coded. So working with PDF, pypdf2 library is used for PDF text reading. So here we have to read a text from a PDF, so we will use pypdf2 library. So here it is by default imported installed in this notebook, Jupyter notebook. In case if it is not installed, so you can use by pip install pypdf. So first we have to import pypdf library, then reading PDF files. So for reading PDF files, what we have to do, first we have to open a file. So here RB, we are using RB. RB is for reading binary. So it will open a file and it will read a file in a binary form. So this is the same open function which we have worked for in earlier section also. Open pdf underscore file1.pdf. So this is a file which is already exist on my C user admin directory, and we will open this file in read binary format. After opening it, we will store into f variable. Then we have pypdf2 library. From that we will use a PDF file reader. So this function will read a PDF file where on a f variable our file is stored. After reading it, we will store into pdf underscore reader variable. Now there are some function inside it. So pdf underscore reader is a variable. After reading a file, we have stored in this variable. Now we want to check how many pages are in this PDF file. So you have to check number pages. So it will give you the result as how many pages are. In my scenario it is 5 pages. So it will return you the page number, how many pages are there. Now pdf underscore reader, it's a variable where our file is stored after reading. Now you want to get some text of a first page. So get page, inside it you have to provide a index page number. So it will start with 0. So first page will be treated as 0. After reading it, we are storing into variable name as page underscore 1. Then because after reading it we need in a proper text for readable purpose, then what we will do, we have a variable where we have stored this page 1. Page underscore 1 is a variable name dot extract text function. So this function will extract a text from this page. After extracting it, we are storing into page underscore 1 underscore text variable. So this variable, after executing, it will give us a result in this text format. So this is output, which is a text of a first page of a PDF file. After reading it, we can close this file. So f dot close function. So till here we have covered how we can open a PDF file, how we can take some part from the PDF file and convert into a text format. Now if you want to add some of the file into the PDF, so we cannot edit a text which is already exist on a PDF, but we can add some of the content on a PDF at the end of the PDF file. So we cannot write to PDF using Python because of the difference between the single string type of Python and the variety of fonts, placements and other parameters that a PDF could have. what we can do is copy pages and append page to the end. Means we can copy one of the page from any of the PDF and we can add or append at the end of a existing PDF. So we are referring the same file, pdf_file1.pdf. we will open this file into read binary format. So this is open function. Again we are using the same variable f. After opening it, we will store into f variable. Again we are using a py_pdf.to.pdf file reader, and we will read a file which is stored into f variable. Then we will store this file after reading into pdf_reader variable. This is just a variable name. As per your choice, you can give a different name to the variable. Then we will get a page. So this is a file where we have a 5 pages document of which is in PDF format. So what we will do, again from this variable we will get page. We will take a first page which is treating as a 0. We will store into first_page variable. After that we are using py_pdf2 library.pdf file writer. It's a function. So we have took first page from the main PDF file, stored into first_page variable. Now we have to write this file at the end of a PDF. So we are using a PDF file writer function, storing into pdf_writer variable. Then what we will do, this is a file where we have to write it. So this is a variable pdf_writer dot add page. We will add a page. So which page we will add? First_page. We will add it. And what we can do, open PDF file 2 in a write binary, and we will store into pdf_output variable. Now pdf_writer dot write, it will write a file. Which file it will write on? pdf_output, which we have opened this file. So earlier file pdf_file1 which containing 5 pages. So we take 1 pages from that file and we are writing that file into another PDF. After that we can close it. Now trying to get all the text from a PDF file. So if you want to take all the text from a PDF file, so what we can do, we can open that file by using open function, pdf_file1.pdf, rb read binary, and we are storing into f variable list of every page text. So we will put using a list, the index will correspond to the page number. So here we have a one list variable pdf_text. Again py_pdf2.pdf file reader, we will read a file which is stored on f variable. After that reading that file, we will store into pdf_reader. Then we are using a for loop. So for p is a variable name in range. So what is the range? pdf_reader, where all the file is in, and dot num pages. So it will go one by one and it will store into p. pdf_reader dot get pages p. So p will be still go till the how many pages are there, and after reading it, it will store into page variable. Then pdf_text is a variable which is a list variable. We will append it. What we will append? Page dot extract text. So it will read a first page and after extracting it, it will put into the list variable, and after, so it will go one by one till how many pages are there. After that we are executing this list variable where all the file has been stored. So you can see this is a value which is extracted from the Java file. Now you want to extract some of the pages. So here is our whole extracted text. Fourth position value means fifth page content we want to print. So you can see this is a fifth page content. If you compare here, this is a 5th page content. Like that we can extract the text and we can read it. So in this video we covered the py-pdf2 library, how to read data from PDF, how to add some content at the end of a PDF or with the new PDF. We'll see you on a next session. Thank you.